Alright, I'm at my friend's Cody's house and he's ripping the RZR. I don't think I'm gonna survive. What kind of contraption we got here?
All right, so it's a skateboard without wheels.
All right. Dog. The first round was a test.
First run, it can do some work, but
Yeah.
the second run.
All right, Cody. Yo, Cody.
It didn't work.
All right, we got test one. We got practice run number one. Oh, shit. We got a jump right here that leads all the way down there. So, well, no Pepsi. Okay, though, we got it, huh?
You're gonna pick that up?
I will.
Is it empty?
No.
Fuck. It's in my fucking way. Oh man.
Uh-oh.
This is not gonna go well. How did we do this, man?
Stupid. Oh! Almost off the end. All right, this is the actual run. The other one was a test run. We paved it a little bit.
Oh man. Why am I doing this? Why aren't you fucking doing this?
You got it, Unc. Test dummy. Oh, that went wrong. You hit the tree. Yeah, you hit the tree last time. Let's not do that again. Let's not do that again. Oh.
I tried to jump.
Bro, this will never be successful. This little,
Yes, it will.
we gotta build the jump more.
Alright.
Alright. All the way down. Come on. Any day now. So we're building one all the way up here because the one down there wasn't good enough and Cody wanted to be more dangerous.
Fuck yeah.
So we're it's very steep.